I work as customer support executive and customer support specialist in Reelo. And my major role is to involve in clients handling, resolving customer queries, and managing tickets and coordinating with technical team. We came across BoldDesk while exploring help desk solution online. When our company was trying to have a organized app for calculating tickets, resolving tickets, giving the customers the correct resolution, that would be happened in a very organized way. So we were exploring the platforms where we can organize the tickets in a particular way, and then we came to know about BoldDesk. What stood is smooth ticket management, and apart from that I can say affordable pricing as well. So basically, before BoldDesk, managing customer queries was difficult and less organized. It was harder to track updates and follow-ups in the issues. While we were coordinating with the technical team, we were not able to track the issues, what is exactly happening with the tech team, because what we have done is we have integrated HubSpot and Asana with the BoldDesk. So now we are able to see the comments which we got from Asana as well, because we have integrated it. It is very user friendly and it is very easier to use. It has improved our workflow and made customer support easier for us. I am able to put the filters in the BoldDesk. I am able to see how many tickets has been assigned to a particular person. So basically, at initial days, what we are doing is we were not having any specific tool like BoldDesk to organize the tickets. What we are doing is we are just receiving the tickets in mail, and then we are raising it to a technical team, and the updates are coming over Asana. But right now, when we have integrated Asana with BoldDesk, even the reply from tech teams also we are able to see in BoldDesk. So we can resolve the tickets in very organized manners, and we can track the issues properly, the communication which we receive from customers. Apart from that, the best thing in BoldDesk is the agent dashboard. Basically, what we can do is we can calculate the agent's performance, how a particular individual is performing, how many tickets has been assigned to a particular agent. Apart from that, we can put the filter as well. We can see which segment tickets has been assigned to a particular agent. So after using BoldDesk, what we does is we try to resolve problem in such a way that we can give the first contact resolution to the customer. Or apart from that, it also helps in improving communication with the clients, which we get from the clients and which we give to the clients. The support features has been better than expected.